Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset MyKey on your Ford Escape. MyKey is a helpful feature designed to encourage safer driving by allowing you to set specific limits, such as a maximum speed of 80 miles per hour or an audio volume cap of 45%. To remove these restrictions, you will need an administrator key. This guide provides clear, step-by-step instructions to help you easily clear all MyKey settings from your vehicle. First, ensure your vehicle is on and you are using an administrator key. Locate the controls on your steering wheel to navigate the instrument cluster display. Press the right arrow button to access the main menu, then scroll to Settings and press OK. From there, select MyKey and then choose Clear MyKey to proceed with the reset. Once you have selected Clear MyKey, you will need to press and hold the OK button on your steering wheel. Continue holding it until a confirmation message appears on your display screen, stating all MyKeys cleared. This message confirms that all restrictions, such as speed limits and audio volume caps, have been successfully removed from every MyKey. Remember, an administrator key is crucial for clearing MyKey settings. If you do not possess an admin key, you might need to consult a Ford dealership for assistance. After a successful reset, you have the flexibility to create new MyKeys with different restrictions whenever you wish, tailoring them to your specific driving needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.